If you're already well acquainted with the world of trading, then you've undoubtedly come across a lot of different bots.
The other person has their own trading bot, and in this video I decided to look into this. To give you a clear example, I'm going to use my own example to show you exactly how my trading bot works, which we developed together with our dedicated team of experts. On this channel, we have already released a video, one detailed video on how we trade using our Vortex bot, but since then we have significantly upgraded it. And before we start, I can tell you how to get it right away so there are no extra questions. My trading bot is located on Telegram, so if you want to get it, please join me over on my channel. The link is in the description of the video. Absolutely free for the viewers of my YouTube channel. I'm already on our platform and I also have our trading bot open right here. Overall, I can quickly go through it and show the basic functionality. Basically, here's a guide on how the trading bot operates in the market. Here we can get signals. We see automatic signals, meaning the bot automatically selects a currency pair, selects the time, and looks for very profitable and good entry points. Furthermore, there is also the option for manual selection, where we manually select the currency pair and determine the trade duration. In this video, I will be utilizing this particular mode specifically to avoid making the video length too long, because I'd have to search for a currency pair and time in automatic mode, and the video would drag on too long. If you want to try it for yourself, as I already mentioned, you can find this trading bot located right inside my official Telegram channel. We also have a really cool and helpful feature where you simply take a screenshot of the current market and then easily upload that specific screenshot to our bot to receive a detailed analysis of the data. And our bot, based on ChatGPT, analyzes market data and advises you on when it's best to open a trade, or maybe wait, whether the market will move up or down, and also the trade duration. But I'll repeat myself, we won't be using that in this particular video. If you want to try it yourself, you already know exactly what you need to do. And here we have a diverse range of different products. Basically, there's a huge variety of items here. You can learn and study every single part of this yourself, as we have all the guides on how the bot works, how to use it, and how to trade with it correctly. So let's go ahead and get started with our trading. So let's go ahead and choose a trade time of exactly 1 minute, and I'm going to put in an investment of $100. That will be more than enough for us to trade effectively today, as I personally like trading with $100 because it's not too risky for my balance and it aligns with my overall trading capabilities. And the profit is appropriate. So, as you can clearly see in the bot's manual selection interface, there are several pairs that have been already selected for your trading. I've already chosen them in advance so as not to waste time, and in general. Let's begin by looking at our currency pair, which is the Euro USD. So let's select it right away. This currency pair. So everything's good, 1 minute in total. Let's click Get Signal. So our trading bot is analyzing the currency pair. And we really need to wait just a little bit longer, of course, so that the system correctly analyzes the specific currency pair and provides a much more accurate signal for us. Because our bot actually works in real time and it doesn't just send some random pictures like so many other traders often do, believe me, and you have probably encountered this frustrating situation yourselves when trading with some of those other bots out there. So we go ahead and click Start Analysis, and as you can see, everything is looking great. We are opening a position down for 1 minute, so I have opened the trade right now. As we see, it is set for 1 minute down and our countdown timer has officially started ticking. You need to react immediately, analyze the situation very carefully, and make sure you are fully prepared for the outcome. And not squander any precious time, because entry time is absolutely critical in binary options. And as we can see, the chart has actually gone down. Our trade is currently in the black. Currently we are observing a general downward trend which plays a crucial and significant role for our strategy. Right now we just have to wait a little bit longer until the very end of the trade. For now, what we have is a period of consolidation with no definite or clear trend moving either up or down, but that is totally fine for us. We have very little time remaining now before we reach the very end of the trade. And yes, my dear friends, as you can clearly see right here, we have secured our very first profit. This is a truly great result and a wonderful start. So let's not stop there. Let's go ahead and choose another currency pair now. So let's change it here to pocket option. Then we click start analysis and then wait. Excellent. We have detected a signal for an increase. So we're opening an upward trade right away, even though the market is extremely volatile right now. Well, we're still opening in an upward direction, so let's see how this eventually turns out for us. And dear friends, I would also like to take a moment to remind you that together with my good friend Franklin, we have a VIP trading group where we send out signals every single day and hold live trading sessions, and it's all absolutely free of charge. In this group, we talk about various entry points and explain how we analyze our market logic. So, if you are looking to gain more knowledge, then you are more than welcome to join our group. Our bot's level of precision and accuracy is about 85%, which is a remarkably strong and reliable indicator in my opinion, and I believe a majority of professional traders would certainly agree with that. Okay, we have our first minor loss, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with that because this is trading, it's completely normal. You can't win 100% of the time because the market can sometimes be entirely unpredictable, as everything fundamentally depends on the news and other traders. And no one can predict any signal for you with 100% certainty. Okay, let's choose another currency pair. Okay, let's change it here. I think I'll increase the trade amount. So to $200. That is truly excellent. Let us get started. So start analyzing the market right away. It's starting to work. Okay, sell, opening a downward trade. Right now we see it's very volatile. It's actually dangerous to trade in the market right now, but I'm not afraid of it because I'm trading with this bot. And overall, I'm always confident in it, and specifically for you, I'm recording this video now in such a risky situation. Okay, as you can see right now, we're getting a very strong and promising downward candle. And I also want to tell you that we have a fully automated trade copying system, social trading, or in other words, it's when you can copy our professional trades absolutely automatically, even while you are fast asleep. So, this is a significantly improved version of the VIP group. Even while you're sleeping or busy with your daily responsibilities at work, you can easily connect to my account and your trades will happen, opening automatically for you. Okay, we have just a little bit left. It's very volatile. And yes, we got lucky anyway. And as you can see, we've made our profit. Excellent, dear friends. I really like this. Who wouldn't like it? So, okay, let's change our currency pair. So I've selected it. So I've selected it here too. Start signal. Analyzing the market. Right, now we have a clear signal for an upward trend. Alright then, let's see how this whole situation turns out for us. Overall, we see a solid upward candle is forming. This makes me very happy. So we have a volatile situation for now. Overall, regarding the market, we have a general downward trend. I can see the currency pair is currently sitting in oversold territory. And overall, yes, I believe this is a good time to open for an increase. Let's wait just a little bit. Let's wait a bit until the end of our trade and simply see how it works out for us all. Yes, excellent, dear friends. As you can see, we took it. The third trade is in the plus, one in the minus. I think this is excellent, dear friends. You see it all for yourselves right before your eyes, without any editing. We're managing to achieve an excellent result. So, let's summarize the results of our trading. I opened 4 trades, one of them was in the minus, 3 were in the plus. I believe our trading bot showed a very good, demonstrated an excellent result. You saw it for yourselves, 4 different currency pairs. I also made a review specifically for you, so friends, if you like this video, like my trading bot, don't forget to leave a like, be active and write a comment. And also the main source of motivation for me will be if you subscribe to my Telegram channel, where you can get absolutely free of charge access to all my various products, such as the trading bot, joining the VIP group with free signals, setting up automatic trade copying and social trading. All this, dear friends, is for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.